the next day.
Good morning, because it is now the next day, June 7th, 2024, and the quote of the day is, discipline, not desire, brings you to your destiny. Didn't really film much the last half of the day, was really just, kind of being present, hanging out with my friends. Kind of hard to balance two of those things. Today I am headed to the Junkyard to look for a part for Alora. She has a 1991 Ford Econoline with a 302 in it, fuel injected, and she needs a bracket for her alternator. So I've got my bags packed and I'm on the way there right now. Well, we are here. I have got my gear and I'm ready to go. What's going on, man?
I'm like, what are you looking for?
Econolines in the 80s. Ford Econoline?
Way back there.
Yeah, I figured as much. Thanks, man. Peterbilt 5.8 EFI crew cab Ford truck. That's pretty cool. Behind it, another Ford truck with a teddy bear and some roller skates. Beautiful. It's funny, every junkyard's got two of them, if not more. See some rust. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Oh yeah, baby. What we got? Sunliner, 61 Ford, 57 Chevy, 62 Chevy, maybe 62 Chevy, 65 Chevy, ooh, 59 Ford, man. And you know what's cool is this is not a car show, therefore I can put my hands on it. Yep, my hand's on fire. Look at that, man. Here's to niching down. That'd be a cool photo. You poor bastard. Show you something cool about these 57 Chevys. Most old cars, you lift up the license plate to put in the gas. This one, there we go, put it in right there. And there's a hornet's nest. That's awesome. Me and Sherrod used to go to junkyards and throw rocks at glass. That was the funniest thing. Now if I saw somebody doing that, I'd... Best part about this is I'm not trespassing. And it was free to get in today. Look at the dash on that. Imagine what would have been. Closes just like it opens, like a dream, like you're time traveling. Oh, here's something cool. Hornets. And just as I return to you to leave, what's that? Some Ford Pintos. You got a Impala wagon. And another wagon. Oh, it's getting kind of thick out here, just like my hair. Thumbnail, 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 thumbnail. I totally got a little distracted there. Distracted, excited. The main mission here is an alternator bracket for a Ford Econoline 91. Here's a something. Let's check it out. Triton V8. That's not it. Well, that might be cool to explore. That's a 3rd gen. It's gonna be a bigger motor, but could be something there. All right, let's start popping some hoods. Someone pulled the whole damn motor out of it. That right there is what you call a doghouse. Look at that. Chevy truck. Oh man, that's like one of my favorites right now.
Task Force 57 Chevrolet trucks are here. Task Force 57 Chevrolet. Hands off the elk and run.
It's cool.
So we made our push through the Arctic bush on that ribbon of mountainous road, and we held our stride on that rugged ride in spite of the heavy load. Our matic transmission locked in position, no shifting from drive to low, proving by test that Chevy is best wherever a truck can go.
Why do I not have my water? I mean, I know this is a salvage yard, but there's just so much garbage here, just in the ground. I'm like literally tripping over it. It's crazy. The 3rd gen Econoline is pretty niche. Doesn't look like they're gonna have what we need here. They had an Econoline 150, but the motor was pulled out of it. It was an 80 something. They have a 90 something, but it's got the 5.4 in it, which my 5.4 is what got me here. It's got me to California and back. It's got me up to 300,000 miles on it. Pretty crazy. Pontiac Catalina Safari wagon. Oh, with a big block. Big block. Damn, there's a lot right here. And I almost walked away. Got a 64 Malibu wagon. I think that's what it says. That's what it looks like. Go all in, right? Oh, big spider, big spider. Okay. Let's go this way. I'm sorry, mister. lot of trust in this right now. But then look, they don't make them like they used to. What is that? What is that? They're so cool, man. I'm out here time traveling. Oh, look at these tie downs. Oh, look at the inside. I'm not right. This is not a Chevy. This is a It's like a Nash. It's like a Rambler. And there's a tag right over there. Crazy fucking spiders. Last registered in '96. Just want you guys to see the instrument panel. Pretty cool. Oh, 67 Chevy. Yeah, so this right here is the truck my dad's working on, a 67 Chevy C10. Pretty cool. Next to it is a Ford Falcon. Next to it is another C10. Tuh. You grimy fucking bastards, you're not gonna get me today. Oh wow. That says Valiant 200 on it. There's, oh man, dude, look at this Cadillac. This is a Dodge Polara. Come on, baby, come on, baby. Oh my God, dude, it just keeps going. Fuck. It got me. I think it's a 66. It looks like ours. Gotta come back though with a fucking weed whacker. God. Fucking ants did get me. I was talking shit too much. Dude, Cadillacs are big money. Is there a way to go around and behind? Yes, there is. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Ugh.
I'm like that, dude. I'm about ready to go. No lie. It does say cross country. Another Rambler. Man. Whew, almost walked into a spider. Find what you love and let it kill you, right? Find what you love and let it kill you, right? Camaro. All right. You know, the only reason I'm complaining is because I'm getting bit by bugs now. But this is exactly what I want to be doing. Like on any given day. I do this shit for fun. I bleed it, man, you know. 440 in here. Look at those. That's the shifter right there. Buttons. What you know about that? There's no way that's the hub what we need, right? I think that looks clean. Pull right through it. Gotta have fun, right? I'm sorry, Laura, it doesn't look like they have it here. I gave it my all, I promise. I scoured this place up and down, all the way to the back. Left, right, up, down. Anything close is just off. Not the same bracket, it's like a bolt-on. Talk about niching down.
1 hour later.
So I don't know what time it is, but I know for sure I've been talking to Troy over here for like an hour, chopping it up, talking life, talking cars, talking high performance. This man is, and I told him this too, what he is in high performance motors, I want to be in classic car photography in 20-25 years. This is what caught my eye right over here, but he's got so much more on the other side. This is my niche, man. I just like, between yesterday and today and last month and the month before that and the year before that, this has just been real good stuff. I work hard, I'm happy to be here. I love my kit lens, my 18 to 135. I love Ford, I love Chevy, I love old fucking rust heaps. I love the badges on the cars. I love crazy ass shit, because I'm a crazy ass dude. Camper special. There's also the Lamborghini show tomorrow. Poor guy. Poor me, he's gonna have to edit all this footage. Poor me. It's fucking victim mentality, get rid of that shit. This Ford Ranger has got 1,529 horsepower. He ran it on a dyno, it's obviously turbocharged. He said it's his shop truck. That's one way to do it. And for that, you get some photo love. Kaiser, Kaiser, Kaiser. All right, I think that's just about all she wrote. Later, Troy. You too. Man, oh man. You fucking hear that? You think he doesn't know what he's doing? Sounds like me taking pictures right there. Let's go.